This Instant Pot, 4-slice instant heat, 7-in-1 air fryer toaster oven, comes in a very compact design but delivers big performance. It has 7 cooking functions: air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, warm, and even make pizza, all in one powerhouse with little to no preheat time. A large viewing window and bright internal light let you keep an eye on your food without opening the door and losing heat. It's built with a strong metal frame and sturdy legs that protect your kitchen counter from the heat. All of the functions are placed conveniently on one side, and with its smart design, you can even cook 2 dishes at the same time. It's also very convenient for small kitchens or student life, making it the perfect all-in-one solution.
All right, here we go. First pizza. We do pizza. It's already set for 10 minutes. Start. Here we go. Tell you what it looks like shortly.